Hello, my name is Lisa Raye Garlock, and I'm a textile artist from the US. I'm honored to say a few words in support of the online launch of the new ARC Conflict Textiles exhibition at Queen's University, Belfast McClay Library. The exhibition is a 5-piece installation and marks International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women on November 25th and is part of the UN's Unite to End Violence Against Women campaign. The commemoration lasts 16 days, concluding on December 10th, International Human Rights Day. My textile, #SayHerName, is one of the pieces in the exhibit. I created this memorial cloth in response to deaths of Black women in the US at the hands of police. In 2014, Professor Kimberly Crenshaw launched this #SayHerName campaign to denounce police brutality against Black women and girls. Murders of Black, Brown, and Indigenous women in the US, whether by law enforcement or others, rarely make national news. Their deaths are mourned by family and friends, but justice is slow or non-existent for many murdered women, particularly women of color. The blue fabric in this textile, which you can see behind me, is hand-dyed with indigo, a cross-cultural and labor-intensive way of dyeing fabric. Here, the indigo represents autonomy, dignity, and betrayed trust. Much of the top section of my textile represents a broken system. There's a part where the blue fabric is cut away to reveal red underneath, exposing a trail of wounding of skin, punctured and bleeding. In another section, layers of fabric are peeled away, suggesting cover-ups of crimes, of racist and misogynistic history, of thwarted justice. Mixing red and blue creates purple, which reminds me of the purple of bruises left on battered and beaten skin. The found objects are symbolic of things that are broken, that are left behind, that are lost. In the bottom section are women's names, each one written on hand-dyed silk ribbon, and each sewn onto the backing using a variety of unique stitches. What I wanted to do here is honor each woman. Taisha Miller, Pearlie Golden, Charmel Edwards, Yvette Smith, and too many more. This is a partial list and one that continues to grow, not only in the US, but around the world. When making this piece, I wanted to amplify Kimberly Crenshaw's #SayHerName and to be an ally in anti-racism, anti-oppression, and anti-misogynistic actions for change. For too long, women have been divided by color, by class, by ethnicity, and by culture, when what we must be is united in the fight for all of our lives. It means a lot to me that my work is included in this exhibition with the other powerful pieces, and I hope that you will take the opportunity to see the show in person in Northern Ireland or online from anywhere. Thank you.